What's going on, guys? Chad here at Marinemax Jupiter. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on this beautiful Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. You can see we have the glacier green hull, you have black decals, a black rub railing, as well as the black tow arch. Very cool color pattern here. Now meet me inside the boat for the walkthrough video. So starting this walkthrough video, I want to talk about like who would be using the 17 Montauk. This is a perfect boat to get into boating. Super easy to control. The unsinkable legend by Boston Whaler. So not only will this boat not sink, but actually doesn't flip as well. Say we were to get swamped, this boat will stay upright and level. So now also, this is a great boat for fishing, going to the sandbar, intercoastal boating, anything along the lines of that. So now getting into the actual features on this boat, you have the tow arch here in black, which goes over this 115 horsepower Mercury outboard. You have the aft seats here. Those are plug-in backrests, so those can be removed. Moving forward here, you have your bench seat where the backrest has 3 positions that can be adjusted to. Opening this up simply with this handle, you have the bait well with blue interior. This right here plugs into the bottom of the bait well when you're going to use it. And that can be easily lifted and moved. Working our way up to the console here, it's equipped with Simrad electronics. You have your Ritchie compass here. For whatever reason, if your electronics were to go down, you can still use that compass. 2 cup holders up in front of electronics, as well as a 3rd cup holder right by the throttle. You have your JL audio control system right here, right next to the steering wheel and throttle. You also have a Simrad VHF, so this boat's got all the options that you can have for electronics on this boat, as well as all your switches here. Moving forward, this boat's also equipped with a bimini top. This is in the resting position here forward. It would be deployed, and you're gonna get a lot of sun coverage in the back here. It covers most of the boat. It's gonna start right about where it is here and then fold backwards. Great to get out of the Florida heat and sun. Now this boat also has the fishing package. With that, you're gonna get this little tackle center on the side. You're going to get this seat here with these 4 fishing pole holders. That is an upgrade. You also have a cooler here. Also, this has the forward cushions, as well as the panel. If you were to add a trolling motor up the front, it's pre-rigged for that from the factory. And if you want to see this boat, come by Marinemax Jupiter and ask for Chad.